Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to get WhatsApp link, and now let's dive right in. Now to get WhatsApp link, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after opening your WhatsApp account, your interface will be like this, guys. At the top right corner of the screen on this interface, there is a three-dotted icon. Tap on that three-dotted icon, and on this interface you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on the settings option just above the switch accounts, and over here you can see there is your username and your phone number at the top of the screen over here, and there is a QR code beside it. Tap on that QR code, and over here you can see the share button available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on that share button, and this kind of interface will appear. Guys, stick with me. We will be sharing the QR code as well as the WhatsApp link of our account. So tap on WhatsApp, and first you'll be required to share that information with anybody. So I'll be just sharing it to myself, and you can see there I have chosen myself, and I will send it to myself. And this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to select your WhatsApp link from over here, you can see, and copy it and paste it wherever you want to or wherever you like, or you can just send it, and you can see your message will appear as this, and you can simply copy your code like this. You can see it says the link has been copied. If you simply tap and hold on it, and you can paste it wherever you want to. For example, I'll be just pasting that message on the message bar of WhatsApp itself. Tap on paste, and you can see the code is available over here. Now you will be able to send this code wherever you want on your WhatsApp, on any chat. So just let's paste it on a demo group, and you can proceed also through messengers and other options as well. And with that being done, guys, this is how to get your WhatsApp link. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.